Hello, this is Mr. TikTok. Today I want to talk about Microsoft's next update, 19H1. It is the first Windows 10 update that I am not really excited about. It does not really have any new features, just a few, but hopefully the bug fixes will be very, very good and Windows 10 will run smoother. Some sources have been telling me that they feel that with the Insider previews of 19H1 that their computers have been running faster. Maybe it has something to do that Windows 10 will now be using 7 gigabytes of disk space they reserved for updates. Then it is a trend that the electronics companies have right now is they are going to have a whole lot of changes in the user interface, including a light theme, which they are calling modern light theme. It's just white. I prefer the dark mode. The dark mode is getting a little bit lighter as well. In my opinion, changes that are only for aesthetics are very boring. Cortana and the search feature are getting separated, which I don't think is surprising to anyone since they basically already gave up on Cortana. And finally, the most important feature update that they are adding is called Sandbox. But of course, only the pro users and the enterprise users will be able to use this feature. And that is the top takes of the new update that I think everybody should know. I will be leaving the link on the description for windowscentral.com where they are explaining almost every new feature that is going to be. As always, this was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.